Lava International has launched its new affordable 5G phone called Lava Blaze 3, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze 3 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Lava Blaze 3 5G features a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel secondary lens. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 2K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on clean Android OS 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Dual Band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.3 by 76.24 by 8.6mm, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze 3 5G is now available at a special discount price of 10,999 Indian rupees in glass blue and glass gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze 3 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.